This is how you perform a RAM upgrade for a Latitude D620. The RAM you received in the mail should look like this. To begin, you're going to need a small Phillips screwdriver, and that's it. Flip over your laptop. On the bottom in the center, you'll see a single screw. You want to undo that. Now the screw won't actually come out, it'll just lift up enough that you can pull off the lid. And here's where your memory goes. You'll notice that the RAM is actually keyed to only fit in one way. Position it at about a 45-degree angle and then push it back. That's it. Slide the cover back on. Tighten the screw.